On the off chance that you're searching for stepn cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of stepn GMT will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of stepn GMT and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of stepn is between $725 and GMT is presently positioned #127 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of stepn is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of $372,744.90. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.5% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. stepn is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We foresee future stepn cost expectations and estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of stepn. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the GMT coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, stepn market cap, stepn volume and scarcely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. stepn value forecast synopsis. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as $0.5811 ounce by 2025. In a bullish situation, stepn could outperform the $311.38 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy. stepn GMT is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $4.27 continuously 2030. Ongoing information shows stepn is exchanging at $0.2725. The negative cost expectation for stepn GMT in 2040 is $195.41, with a possible high of $241.82. stepn value forecast 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2024, the cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $341. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $88.67 with the typical exchanging cost of $4.50. stepn value forecast 2025. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $5.74 in 2025. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.5811 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.5212 all through 2025. GMT value figure for 2026. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of stepn is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $0.1788. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.671 with the typical worth of $0.7949. stepn GMT value expectation 2027. stepn cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.14 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.34 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.18. stepn value forecast 2028. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.74. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.05 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.80. stepn value forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2029 the cost of stepn is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.47. The stepn value worth can arrive at a limit of $3.08 with the typical exchanging worth of $2.56 in USD. stepn GMT value expectation 2030. The cost of 1 stepn is supposed to reach at any rate level of $3.62 in 2030. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $4.27 with the typical cost of $3.72 all through 2030. stepn value gauge 2031. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $5,000 in 2031. The stepn cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $618 with the typical cost of $515 all through 2031. Stepn GMT value expectation 2032. Stepn cost is figured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $729 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $868 with the typical conjecture cost of $755. Stepn value forecast 2033. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $10.67 in 2033. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $12.85 with the typical exchanging cost of $10.97 all through 2033. Stepn value figure 2040. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or businesses can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our stepn cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $195.41 and can reach as high as $241.82 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $210.66. GMT value figure for 2050. Long-haul expectations ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the innate vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key procedures for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto speculations. According to our GMT cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with a most extreme cost of $311.38, while the base value worth of a stepn can be around $274.29 with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $285.92 approximately. Stepn value conjecture facts. What amount will stepn be worth in 2030? As far as value, stepn has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that GMT will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business experts, stepn can raise a ruckus around town cost of $427 till 2030. What is the eventual fate of stepn? The eventual fate of stepn is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into GMT, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a topsy-turvy risk profile. Nonetheless, still a fantastic speculation for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, GMT likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system. What amount will stepn be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, stepn will have a base cost of $205 and a greatest cost of $0.74 per GMT. Since stepn is exchanged on an organic market premise, its worth changes radically. What is the stepn cost today? Today, stepn GMT is exchanging at $725 with the market cap of $372.